Well, good Wednesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good hump day. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it is hotter than a show enough winning lottery ticket. But what I wanted to make mention of, if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over in the sticks, show enough, thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I have a few projects going on that I'd like to share with y'all, so give me a second and I'm sure enough going to show you what I've been doing. All right, before we get started, Lord of mercy, I hope everybody that is in the path of Hurricane Dorian, I don't know where it's at now, I know it's Wednesday, it's probably touching Florida and moving its way up the coastline, but I know I follow a bunch of creators that live up in that area. Tampa J, VDT Honey, I believe that's her channel name. Mr. CB over at CB's Greenhouse and Garden, he's up in North Carolina. My brother Ronnie, the Southern Food Junkie, I believe he's in South Carolina. I don't even know if it's going up towards Virginia, nothing like that, but the Sapa is up that way. So y'all, if Godspeed on that storm, because I know it's got to be raining like the far over there. So yeah, reckon we need to keep all them folks in our prayers, especially the ones that are going to be affected by Hurricane Dorian. Look at there, I've been playing around in some mud trying to get that leveled off to put another pool in. Needless to say, that ain't working because I don't know how to do that, but I've been giving it heck trying. Hook the box blade up, trying to get it level. That's one thing I've been working on. And Lord of mercy, y'all, forgive me for my lack of creativeness. I just been jammed up at work. Oh Lord, for the last week, it's been long hours at work, spending a lot of time at work because I just have tons of stuff to do. By the time I get home, it's dark, and I just don't have time to create any videos. So I hope y'all understand. But it looks like it's starting to lighten up a little bit, and it is what it is. So I've been working on the dirt, trying to get a pool pad built. That's just one thing that I've been working on. Let me show you the other ones. All right, project number 2. Lord of mercy, Dan, what is that? That right there is a Hardy grill. A friend of mine had this grill at his house, and I've cooked on it several times. It's got to be a good 20-25 years old, but the company is called Hardy Manufacturing, and they are based out of Philadelphia, Mississippi. The cool thing about this grill is it is 100% made out of stainless steel, and I mean showing off stainless steel, brushed stainless steel, stainless steel grate, stainless steel trays, everything, lid. It's just everything is made out of stainless steel. I don't know if you can make that out, but that says Hardy Manufacturing on there. Sure enough, cool grill, and I'm here to tell you, this joker will cook, especially a steak. But anyways, my buddy was like, man, see you getting rid of your old grill over there, old charbroil, I done burnt that thing out, I cooked on it so much. He's like, man, why don't you come over by the house and get that Hardy grill? I don't use it anymore, it's just sitting there. And I've spent probably the last 3 evenings using air tools trying to get it cleaned up and back into serviceable order. The only thing that I had to order for it is a new igniter and another burner thing that goes in the inside to cook on, or whatever that's called, or burner jets or something like that. But anyways, ordered that. Hopefully it'll be in tomorrow, because I'm sure enough ready to start getting to cooking on this Hardy grill. Maybe we'll cut some videos on it. Extremely nice machine or piece of equipment. Sure enough like it because it's made in Philadelphia, Mississippi. The only bad thing is they don't make these anymore. So to get parts for it, you can't. You have to use aftermarket parts, and which kind of sucks because I wanted to use nothing but original parts on it. But it is what it is. It cleaned up really well, and I'm showing off ready to get my cook on with it. And lastly, let me show you, oh Lord, yeah, let's go look at it. Bam! Yeah, I broke down and went and bought a pea sheller. And this is a Taylor 675 or the little pea sheller. That's what they known for. But this is a Taylor machine. Pretty much all stainless steel. A lot of the cool things about this machine is, you probably can't see it, but it's got a Dayton motor on it. It's a 1/3 horse Dayton motor. Everything is covered up on it as far as the wheels, the pulleys, and the belt, all covered up. Stainless steel. I took the roller guards off of it just so you can see what it looks like. But here are the rollers, and I don't know if they nylon or what they are, but this is what actually shells your peas. And it comes with some nifty guards that go on here, because Lord mercy, you don't want to get your fingers caught up into this thing when it's running. And it came with a tray to catch your peas. Let's fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. Oh yeah. There's that guy running, and I mean to tell you, it was showing off shells of peas. All right, and that's off. You can shell all kind of stuff on this machine. Butter beans, crowded peas, purple hull peas, regular peas, English peas, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of stuff you can shell on this machine. And the reason why I spent the money on this machine, and it's not cheap. It runs about 500 bucks. I had money saved up because I knew I wanted to get one, and I just set money aside because you just never know when you're gonna need stuff. But I went ahead and made the investment for my home in the sticks, for my home place. And it's going to be a good investment. It's kind of like one of them tools where mechanics out there, y'all know, look, you go and buy a tool for 50 bucks and it only does one thing. But guess what? That 50 bucks is well spent if you need that tool one time and you had it, and it makes the job go by that much easier. I'm sure enough not going to shell 2 bushels of purple hull peas by hand again. Use this guy right here. So all of these machines, all of these Taylor machines are stamped and serialized, so that's pretty cool. Have a good registration on. I mean, you have to fill out a registration card for the warranty and all that. Really cool. All these guards are stainless steel, and I believe this one goes right here, I think, or something like that. Anyways, I think it goes something like that. I don't know, I need to, yeah, I gotta put them on there because I'm sure enough not gonna run that machine without the guards on. The down, some of the cons that I've seen, I'm not an engineer. The instructions are kind of blah. It has very few working parts, but these parts have to be put on in order. So I'm gonna say if you're looking at getting a Taylor 675 pea sheller, if you can, get that joker already assembled. Yeah, I had to put this one together. A lot of sharp edges on this machine. Oh Lord, I'm at look what fingers on. But anyways, some of the fitment is not, I don't know, it's a lot of money for a machine that doesn't, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I'm just anal retentive like that. Some of the screws, especially on the back end, were really hard to get in because they fit on the underside of the machine. I have big hands, so little small quirks, but with a little bit of time, you can get it put together. It took me probably about maybe a good hour and a half to put it together because the screws, they're so small, and it was just hard trying to get them in there. And it seemed like the bracket for the pulley guard didn't line up too well. I had to not forcefully get in there, but just cock it in there, and it actually worked itself out, and everything's screwed down and the machine's running good. So happy about that. Happy to get a pea sheller over here at my home in the sticks because Lord of mercy, I'm showing off gonna get down with shelling some purple hull peas now. So y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a showing off good hump day, and I hope y'all having a safe one. Y'all that's in the path of Dorian, Godspeed, and I hope everything works out for y'all, and please be safe. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff when I have time. And with that being said, you know it's coming, Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.